cough and cold home remedies for all ages. When you get regular cough and you don't want to medicare, you can use simple home remedies like steam vaporization. Steam vaporization is a method by which we inhale steam vapors. Heat up water until it releases steam, then use a towel and trowel to cover the boiler with your face inside and inhale the steam. Try this for 3-4 times, then relax. Your cough will go down. In severe case, consult doctor. Thank you. And single quote, forget to subscribe and see my other videos.